The Naches-Cowiche Flood Risk Reduction and Floodplain Restoration Project is a coordinated multi-agency effort towards integrated floodplain management of the entire Naches-Cowiche confluence. Led by the Yakima County Flood Control Zone District, the work is being implemented through collaborative partnerships with the City of Yakima and the Washington State Department of Transportation, with input from local agricultural landowners, resource agencies, and other regional stakeholders. The project leverages over a decade of collective long-term public investment into the Naches-Cowiche confluence in the form of cooperative planning, land acquisitions, preliminary designs, conservation easements, and a variety of environmental, hydraulic, and geomorphic assessments. Continuing on the heels of the recent Nelson Dam removal project, the Naches-Cowiche project works in tandem with the Nelson Dam Phase 2 pipeline currently being installed by the city. The installation of the pipeline unlocks the rest of the confluence for habitat and ecological restoration activities and undoes a large portion of the uncoordinated irrigation and agricultural practices that have complicated flooding, water rights, and overall management of the infrastructure within this highly dynamic reach of the Naches River. This project will develop designs to replace an undersized bridge, remove obsolete irrigation infrastructure, regrade disturbed areas to more natural floodplain topography, replant with native riparian vegetation, and reorganize lands, easements, and covenants held by the county to facilitate park development and develop the plans for the park itself. The project will reduce flood risk to the City of Yakima, Highway 12, Powerhouse Road, and adjacent working agricultural lands, reduce the need for costly and disruptive emergency maintenance and flood response efforts, and restore fish passage, ecological floodplain functions, and habitats for native and endangered species on Lower Cowiche Creek and within the Naches-Cowiche floodplain and confluence. Yakima County received initial design work funding through the Department of Ecology's Office of the Columbia River through the Yakima Basin Integrated Plan, and was recently awarded additional funding to continue design and alternative analysis. This YBIT funding was leveraged as match for a United States Bureau of Reclamation Aquatic Ecosystems Restoration Program grant, which will provide $10 million in project implementation funding over the next 4 years.